Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet this lacy design stitch. In this pattern stitch, I have combined shell stitches as well as fishnet design stitch together to form this pretty pattern stitch. So let's see how this is worked out. Here I have taken this 4-ply cotton yarn and a 3.5 mm crochet hook. So let's begin. Now this stitch is a multiple of 12 plus 1 chain. So for this sample, I am going to work 36 chains plus 1. So in all, I will be working 37 chains. Now make a slip knot. And chain 37. So here I have worked the 37 chains. Now skip the first 2 chains from the hook. These 2 chains will be considered the first double crochet, and going into the third chain, work 1 double crochet. Moving to the next chain, work 1 double crochet. So the sequence of this round is to work 1 double crochet into each of the chains till the end of the round. So here I have done the first round where I had worked 1 double crochet into each of the chains, and including the first 2 chains which I had skipped initially. In total I have 36 double crochets. Now for the second round, work 1 chain and turn your work, and going into the first stitch, work 1 single crochet. Now work 5 chains. Skip the next 3 stitches and going into the fourth stitch, work 1 single crochet. Again work 5 chains. Skip the next 3 stitches and going into the fourth, work 1 single crochet. So just continue with the sequence till you are left with the last 3 stitches. So as you can see, I have almost come to the end of the third round, and here I am left with the last 3 stitches. The first 2 are the double crochets and the last stitch is the chain 2 which I had left out initially. So in order to end this round, work 2 chains, and going to the top of the second chain, work 1 double crochet. So in between I have skipped the 2 stitches and worked 1 double crochet into the last stitch. So that completes our second round. For the third round, work 1 chain and turn your work, and going to the top of the double crochet, work 1 single crochet. Skip the chain 2 space and going inside the chain 5 space, work a shell of 7 double crochets. So here I am done with the 7 double crochet shell. Now moving into the next chain 5 space, work 1 single crochet. Work 5 chains. And going into the next chain 5 space, again work 1 single crochet. Now from here on the pattern repeats, that is moving to the next chain 5 space, again work a shell of 7 double crochet. And into the next chain 5 space, work 1 single crochet followed by 5 chains. And into the next, again work 1 single crochet. So just continue with this pattern sequence till you are left with the last chain 5 space. So as you can see, I have worked the third round using the sequence as I mentioned earlier, and I almost come to the end and I am left with the last 5 chains. So going inside the 5 chains, work 1 single crochet. Now work 2 chains. And on the top of the single crochet, work 1 double crochet. So that completes our third round. Now for the fourth round, work 1 chain and turn your work. Moving to the top of the double crochet work 1 single crochet. Work 5 chains. Now here we have the 7 double crochet shell. So moving to the second double crochet, work 1 single crochet. Again work 5 chains. Skip the next 3 double crochet of the shell and moving to the fourth double crochet, work 1 single crochet. Work 5 chains. And going into the chain 5 space, work 1 single crochet followed by 5 chains. Now the sequence will repeat, that is moving to the 7 double crochet shell, going onto the top of the second double crochet, work 1 single crochet followed by 5 chains. Skip the next 3 double crochet and moving to the fourth, work 1 single crochet followed by 5 chains. So just continue with the sequence. So here I have almost come to the end of the fourth round. Now in order to end this round, work 2 chains. Skip the last double crochet of the shell and going to the top of the single crochet worked, work 1 double crochet. So that completes the fourth round. Now for the fifth round, work 1 chain and turn your work. And from here on, this pattern is a repeat sequence. That is, you will be repeating round 3 as well as round 4 again and again for the desired length of your project work. So for this sample, I'll just repeat this 2 more times and get back to you. So I've repeated the rows 3 and 4 for 2 more times, and this is how a pattern looks. Now this pattern stitch can be used for multiple projects like making shawls, crochet stoles, baby blankets or baby skirts and many more. So that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this tutorial really very useful. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.